Hello investors, this is IBEJU Lekki after the Dangote refinery. So I want to take you through a road walk to show you the 6-lane road construction that is actually going on the Lekki Feature Zone, which spans from the Lekki B Junction Road down to after the Dangote refinery. So this is a road trip. So where we are currently is after the Dangote refinery, so far inside. So we are coming back to the Dangote refinery as if we are going towards the Lekki junction. So you can see this is a 6-lane road that Dangote himself or Dangote company or Dangote group, they are the one constructing it. Probably they have tax free, so that's why they're constructing this road. And you could see how beautiful the road is. So why I'm doing this road trip is for investors like you watching this video, or those that want to invest, to see what is actually going on this axis. You and I know that whenever developments are ongoing in a particular region, it actually skyrockets the price of properties, and that is why very soon, or sooner or later, or as it were already, prices of land within this region are already going up. So you could see companies are left, right, all over this axis. So you can see the road already. This is a 3-lane road on the right hand side, 3-lane road on the left hand side. So enjoy this trip, just watch through. You will see a lot of companies, you will see some residential properties, some dispersed and all that. You will see the Lekki, Deep Sea Port, the Dangote Refinery, Kellogg's, Insignia, and other big top multinationals. This is the Lekki Feature Zone Road, the current state of it, and this is year 2024. This update is coming January 2024. So watch this video, and of course there's a part of this video where I will show you the connection of the road. And the way you're seeing it now, there's a connection by the right that will now lead you to the Lekki Expressway instead of you going straight down to a Lekki junction. So the road you are seeing now is the Lekki Feature Zone on this other side of IBEJU Lekki, which is the Dangote refinery side. Now the idea is that people that want to go to Lekki Expressway, they don't really have to go back, follow this road back to a Lekki and now connect Lekki Expressway. There's a point in this video where I will show you where the road connects. They're actually constructing the road, and that point is where people on this side of IBEJU Lekki, where I'm showing you now, if they want to go to Ekpe, they don't have to go back to a Lekki junction and now hit Lekki Expressway to go to Ekpe. So they can connect it by the right hand side. So once I get to that part of the video, I'll also let you guys know. So for now, enjoy the road trip. point of the road. Okay, so it will come back again. So this is the point of the road that leads to the Lekki Ekpe Expressway from the Lekki Free Trade Zone in IBEJU, Lekki. This is the point. They're actually constructing the road. So this will go all the way down to Lekki Beach Road Junction, just about 5 minutes drive to